Have multiple alarms in Windows Clock and want an easier way to identify them. Renaming your alarms can help you quickly tell the difference between work, school, workouts, meetings, and other reminders. In this guide, I'll show you how to rename alarms in Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once the app opens, select Alarms from the navigation menu. Find the alarm you want to rename and select it to open its settings. If you have several alarms, check the scheduled time and repeat days to make sure you're editing the correct one. Look for the alarm name or label field. Click inside it and replace the existing name with something more descriptive. For example, you could rename an alarm to Morning Routine, Work, Study Time, Workout, or Meeting Reminder. After entering the new name, save or confirm the changes if your version of Windows Clock provides a save option. Make sure the updated name appears on the alarm card before leaving the settings. If you have several alarms, you can rename each one with a clear purpose. For example, use names like Work Start, Lunch Break, Study Session, or Evening Reminder. Descriptive names make your alarm list much easier to manage. While you're editing an alarm, you can also review its time, repeat schedule, sound, and snooze duration. Make any other changes you need, then confirm that the alarm is still enabled. Finally, return to the main alarm section and check that the new name is displayed correctly. Using clear names makes it much easier to identify the right alarm at a glance. And that's how to rename alarms in Windows Clock in 2026. By giving each alarm a clear and meaningful name, you can keep your reminders organized and quickly identify what each alarm is for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.